How to make money on Teespring. Teespring is a design and e-commerce business that helps you create your own product and sell it online and earn profit through it. Now, how to sign up for Teespring and how does Teespring work? There is already a video on this channel. You can just go ahead and check it out. The link will be given in the description. But just to refresh your memory, let me tell you that Teespring is a website that will help you create your own design, and can design any product you want to, and then you just simply earn profit. There is no shipping for you, no other things like to take care of. For example, the drop shipping, the packaging, the making of the product, everything is taken care by Teespring. All you do is just design a product and then advertise it, and then you just simply sell it and earn profit through it. Now, the question is, how do you earn money on Teespring? Let me take you to a dashboard of Teespring. So this is what the dashboard of the Teespring looks like. Now you can see that I literally have zero profit and zero to be paid. Everything is zero right now because we're starting from the scratch, and you're doing the same. And you're here to know how you actually make money, how you advertise your product. And once you have designed your products, and or even you have like zero experience in designing, you have zero experience in advertisement, how you gonna do that? So I actually have a lot of tactics and tricks for you that you can avail in order to sell your product. So what happens is, first what we need to do is that create a product, of course. Now, how you can actually create a product that will sell? First things first, you have to find inspiration for the product. For example, let's just say I want to make my store a medical related store. For example, I want my hoodies and t-shirts to be, for example, related to medical stuff. So what I will do is I will just simply go to Pinterest, right? And I will just simply type medical t-shirt designs. So there will be like hundreds of thousands of designs on medical t-shirts that will pop up. Now I will just simply go ahead. If I like something, I would go ahead and open it up. Like for example, this shirt right here, I'm liking the design on this shirt. Now on Pinterest, people are actually going and they're actually saving these designs, and they're making boards for these. So they're looking for designs like this. So if I create a design like this, actually this is very cute design. It is actually a jugular vein. It's so cute. It's juggling red blood cells. It's actually a vein that's in our neck, and it carries blood from our face and head. Yeah. So as I was saying, this shirt right here. This is very cool. So I'm targeting right now medical students. For example, you had dog design t-shirt or any other t-shirt. So people are actually liking this design. So what I will do is just simply go ahead and save this design for later. Now this is one of my inspiration. I want this design to be on my shirt, or I will take inspiration from this shirt. Or for example, I like this shirt and I will go ahead and I can just improvise this design in my own way. So this way what will happen is that I will have the designs that actually sell. Now I know that what designs are going to sell, or I can actually go ahead and simply go to AliExpress and check out the designs. For example, again, I will type medical student t-shirts or anything, what design you have in mind. Go ahead and find inspiration for that. For example, I have this very nice like stethoscope design t-shirt right here. So I will just simply go ahead and I will check out the design and I can save it. Now on AliExpress or any other online stores, you're actually looking at the products that are selling. People are actually buying these kind of products. So I have an idea in mind that okay, this design will sell. So I will just simply take inspiration from these designs. So once you do that, now you have a good product. That's what the first thing you need to do in order to make money on Teespring. Your product design should be unique, it should be rare, it should be new, and it should be selling. A design that's selling. So we just saw like you can go to Pinterest, you can go to AliExpress, you can go to Alibaba. Just go out and just explore different designs. So once you have those designs, now comes the creativity part, or you want to create it and you want to design it. Now there are two ways. You can just simply go ahead and design your own t-shirt. You can go ahead and import images and everything. But there is another way you can do that. You can just simply go to any freelancing website. For example, we go to Upwork. Now what will happen here is, this is for those people who are actually looking to go like beyond on Teespring, and they actually want to create a good business, and you have a little money to invest. Or for example, you will pay them monthly, so you will be getting like paid, and you do have a side business or anything, and you're just like, okay, I'm ready to invest a little. So just go to Upwork or any other freelancing website. Go ahead, this is just a trick for you guys. Anything, go ahead and add a location of a country, for example any country with less pay rate. For example, I added Pakistan right here. You can go to with India or anything. Go and look for graphic designers. You will actually find, like, look at this person, it's just 5 USD per hour. So I can go ahead and grab this person and ask him to design the t-shirts for me. Very simply, if you do have a little budget, I'm talking about that. So what I will do is, for example, I liked that medical t-shirt, like for example this stethoscope t-shirt. So I will give this design to that person and I'll be like, okay, design this for me, but make it more like creative. Go creative with it. Go ahead and make me a design like this, and that person will do that for me, and I will have a very good design. But you can actually go ahead and do that on your own if you do not want to spend any money. So that's actually in the process. Everything I just talked, it's actually in the process of product. Now why I am focusing on being the product so good, because that's the one thing you're doing. You're just designing the product. Rest of the thing will be taken care by Teespring. So what you're doing, do good. Like, go ahead and do something about the design. Take your time in designing the products that will sell. In that way you will make money. Otherwise, if you're just designing the products and they do not have an appeal, then it's gonna be bad for you because you're not gonna sell anything. So what's the point? Because we want to make money. Now the second thing that you do on Teespring is that advertisement. That's your job. One thing is designing and advertisement. Now how to do advertisement that will make us money on Teespring? Now there are many ways. You can just go ahead and create your own new Instagram account and do that. Again, it will take time. People will, like, if you're not famous, people will not notice you. So what you have to do is simply, here's another trick. Go to YouTube. I typed medical student. For example, you had cat t-shirts. You're designing anime t-shirts. Go ahead and type anime, something like that, okay? And the people that are in that field will pop up. Now what's happening here is that this person, for example this girl right here, has like 72k views. This guy has like 212, like a lot of views right here. Expectation versus reality, medical school. Then there is this guy, he has like around like 500,000 views, which is like study tips for first year medical students. Now all of these people, they are students, okay? Now look at this person, he has like 39k views. Now they're all student. They're also making money on YouTube. They're looking to make money. So what I can do is I can simply reach out this person, for example this girl, and I can tell her that I will give you the 20% or 50% of the product, but what you have to do is just advertise my product in the end of your video. For example, this guy. For example, I reached this guy before he made this video. So what will happen is that he got like 200k views. So from that 200k views, maybe 500 of the people will check out my Teespring account and they will go to look for my products. And maybe 100 out of them will order it because they're all medical students. They will like the product and I have designed a product that is selling. So what will happen is they will actually order and I will get 100 orders on Teespring. And out of the 100 orders, I am making like 1000 USD and I am paying this guy 300 out of that or 400. Or if I'm like doing any side business, it will be more profitable for me, or I can reach like more than one person at a time. I can do email marketing for it. So that's what you need to do. Or you can just simply go to Instagram accounts and go ahead to different Instagram accounts and reach people who are already there. DM them that we need to collab and we should do this, and after that they will reach out to them and tell them that we should collab. They already have followers. This way you will get advertisement. Again, if you do not want to do this, but if you look at the bright side, now you'll be like, okay, this is too much work. How are we gonna reach these people who are already YouTubers or anything? How we're gonna like do that and this and that? So what you have to notice is that what you are doing is that you are just simply sitting at home and you are just emailing them or doing anything, and you're actually spending $0 and you're gonna actually earn money through it. So that's actually very cool. All you have to do is just sit on your laptop and go ahead and just design and advertise. The rest will be taken care by Teespring. Now you can actually go ahead and check out different products that are selling on Teespring as well. For example, look at these products. Like there's this pizza which says my life and people are buying this product. You can go ahead and create a t-shirt with a pizza on it, but make it creative. Go ahead and design yourself. Hire someone to design it and then advertise it in your own way. You can just go ahead, advertise it to different websites or any other way that you have. So like I will suggest, if you advertise with someone, like collab with someone, or just it will actually help you get more orders. And once you get more orders, you can actually make a lot of money on Teespring. So you can actually make a lot of money. For example, if a t-shirt is like 24 USD, you're actually gonna earn 14 USD from the product. And it's actually, people are literally making hundreds of thousands of USD per day on Teespring. Like, I'm not kidding. Let me show you around. Like, so yeah, as you can see right here, that these are featured creators. Like for example, this store, and there's this animation. Like, I don't know what they do. Maybe they sell t-shirts with and these cartoon characters on them. So these creators are actually making a lot of money on Teespring, and you can do that too with your creative design and good advertisement. Once you do that, you will be able to earn a lot of money on Teespring. And yeah guys, I think this was it for this video, because in this video I just wanted to show you that how you can actually do advertisement and what are the other ways that will help you get a good order, or will help you create an awesome online store on Teespring. And you can just use any of these tricks and tips that I gave you, and you will definitely earn a lot of money on Teespring. So yeah, I think this is it for me. I will see you in the next video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.